It's 15 degrees out, the ground is covered in snow, and the last thing I want to do is run around the van doing laps with a bubble level trying to get the thing level. So instead, today I'm installing the LevelMatePRO with the goal to get the van level without having to constantly get out of the driver's seat. I'm not going to show a full unboxing, but I will show you a little bit of what's inside here. I did download the app already, and we'll talk about that in a minute. The ironic part, once I get all this out though, in order to get it level digitally, so I don't have to keep doing it, is I have to level it manually first. So we'll get to that in a second. First, let's see what's inside. So here's what you get. Just open the cover. Quick, easy start guide. Download the app. Scan the little code if you don't have it already. Mount the thing. Flip it on. We'll hear 2 beeps. Then we go through the wizard. But first, let's make sure the van's really level. And by the way, just show you what you get in here. Couple screws, LevelMate itself, and then real small unit, and then a few other components, including some sticky mounts for it. So pretty straightforward. Let's get it leveled. Well, good news, we got our level. You see, using our handy dandy manual level here, so we're all good to go. Next step, get it mounted and go through the wizard. I did forget to mention, pro tip, obviously I lucked out in the driveway right now, it's level. If you don't have a level spot, find a level spot, make it much easier to get done. Obviously you can take mounting into consideration. I'm gonna put mine, kind of turn you over here so you can see, right up here beside the cabinet. You don't wanna put it inside a metal cabinet if you got one, because everybody knows Bluetooth doesn't work so good through metal. So pick a great spot. You can put it either way. In this case with the LevelMatePRO, it's gotta be horizontal, you can't do it vertically. To make it easy for you, give you a couple little temporary sticky pads. Just put those on the back, and I'm going to stick it up there before I screw it in. But nice and easy. You can see they just show you which way. Got to point it up. I'm going to put it up here. Got the little sticky things on the back, kind of hard to see. Going to get it where we want it, and then get it level and push it in. I know it's a little hard to see up there, but pretty easy. See, I got it mounted right up here. Nice and easy. Actually used my iPhone level to make sure it was level across there, so good to go. Just gotta screw it in now. Nice little Fanttik screwdriver, makes it easy. Especially with the 90-degree angled head. Sorry if my head's in the way here. I want to take a moment before we jump into the app setup and talk about the tool I was just using to mount the LevelMate. It's this little screwdriver, and I can't tell you how handy it is. This is the Fanttik S2 Pro electric screwdriver, and it really has replaced the big heavy drill, particularly for interior van stuff, for 2 reasons. One, precision. As you can see on here, this does have 7 different torque settings that really make it useful, so you don't end up cracking the plastic casing on gadgets like the LevelMate. It also has, with the electronic torque control, it stops obviously just before you strip the screw. Yeah, you can do that on your big heavy drill, but this is a nice small form factor. 2, the other reason, charges via USB-C, right on the outside when it's in the holder here. I'll show you how that looks. As you can see, so you don't have to have it open, just gonna have the case closed to charge it that way. So I don't need to haul around a big, 110 volt charge or anything like that. Just plug it into any USB port that we have in the van. It has this handy 90-degree head that you saw me using. Lights up. Has all these bits that really make it, a go-to for us as well. Plus the tips right here can be actually magnetized in this area. Just put the screws in, rub it back and forth a little bit in this zone. If you've ever dropped a screw in a vent or under a seat rail, you know how difficult it is to find those. So, as I said, I just wanted to talk about that for a moment. This isn't a direct sponsorship. I did want to take time just to talk about it because we really do find it useful. We use it on these projects. Vicky uses it on our furniture restoration for our other forthcoming channel that we have coming up soon. I figured I'd just share it, because it will come with us in the van whenever we're going on the road, just to have that handy tool, fix things as we need to. I will put a link, as I said in the description. It is an affiliate link, so we do get a little bit of a commission for that. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it really helps us out at the channel. So Anyways, enough yammering. Let's get back to the app setup. All right, well, got the app up. I'll record the screen so you can see what it says. Right now it says connection unsuccessful because I have to turn on the LevelMate up here. Pardon me. Should hear 2 beeps. There we go, 2 beeps. All right, so do that. Retry the connection. Found new device. Makes it pretty easy. Yeah, I gotta fill out some registration stuff on here and then we'll pick up. Boom, makes it easy. Pick what we got. As we said, got the class B or C in the van. And then asks us what measurements we want, kind of standard stuff. Next, now I gotta measure the van from the width from wheel to wheel and center front tire, center rear tire. Gotta go do that and we'll be back. All right, as we said, got the measurements done outside. Gotta set the width. Get those in there, you can see. Label faces front the way we got it mounted. All the other stuff standard, you can see here. Makes it pretty easy. All right, next. All right, would you like to compensate for side lean? We don't have slide outs. I gotta get outside the RV for a minute and get it level. I'll be right back in. All right, you can see we're on level. I know, because I put a thing there because the driveway's level as we said. So all we have to do, right in the driver's seat. You know, normally I have to go run around. Don't mind the tone. Let's see. Boom. That's it. All level. Simple as that. Didn't even have to get out to do it. Other than put the levelers out. So is it worth $100 in the summer? Maybe. Be nice not to have to get out when it's sweltering. In the winter when it's freezing, 100% worth it. Highly recommend. So, if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe. We have more videos coming this way. Put a playlist up here for some of our other van upgrades. As always, keep wandering. And if Vic was here, then she would say, bye.